What's up, beautiful people? I hope you all had a fabulous Christmas and all of the various holidays that you may be experiencing. I hope that it's great, it is well. And in this video, we will be going to Starbucks, 3 different Starbucks to be exact, to see if the whole you can get the free coffee grinds things is a thing, and see how this thing all works out, okay? So stay tuned, let's lock in, let's have some fun, y'all. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode. This is your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am so excited to be with you all here today. Like I said in the beginning, I hope you all had a fabulous Christmas holiday, as well as what other holiday situation that you are celebrating. I hope that it is great, it is well, your family is blessed, and you had a loving, great time. Now, in this video, I'm gonna be quick because we're gonna go ahead and get into it. However, I went to 3 different Starbucks to see how it all works as far as the receiving the free used coffee grinds, or whatever it is that you may call it, okay? The first one, success. Second one, it got a little interesting. The third one, it was okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it because it was rather interesting. So let's go to the first one. All right, great people, so we are pulling up to the first Starbucks, which I am a little bit nervous because I don't know how this goes or what to say, but nonetheless, I'm gonna give it a go. And I also have my buddy Ricky with me. Hey, say hello, brother. Okay, he's still trying to figure it all out. He saw McDonald's and wanted to get it. However, that's not what we're gonna have. So, all right, let's see. About to pull up. Wish me luck. Yes, sir. I am a gardener, and I was wondering if you all have any coffee grinds here.
Yes, we do.
Awesome. Can I pull up and retrieve them?
Yeah, there's a few of them. Would you like to choose?
Sure.
I'm so sorry. Do you mean like the coffee grinds?
Yes, the coffee grinds. Yes.
What we use to clean the grind machine?
Yes. Well, like once you've already like used the coffee, what's left over?
Oh, okay, I see.
Yep.
No,
Usually.
Unfortunately, we don't have any. I could give you like what's in our espresso drawers if you'd like.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Coming around. Okay, now I know what to say next time. Oh, wow. Oh, no, that's beautiful. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yes, ma'am. You too. All right, great people. So the first one was a success. I have a nice big old bag of espresso coffee grinds, which I didn't even know like that was a thing. However, obviously it is. You're at Starbucks. So that was the first one. So I have 2 more to go to just to see. And as you see, it's kind of darker outside. I did want to wait until it was later in the day with the idea that whatever they had for the day and or other days, that is what I would be able to receive. So here we go. Big old bag of these bad boys, and I'll show you all at the end all of the different bags. Hopefully I have at least 2 more bags of coffee grinds, and yeah, so let's go to the second Starbucks. All right, we're at our second one, great people.
Hi, and welcome to Starbucks. Can I get for you today?
Hey, yes, I was wondering if you all had any used coffee grounds that I can get.
I'm sorry?
I was saying if you all had any used coffee grounds that I can get, like for the garden.
I'm sorry, we do not have any.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. All right, great people. So we are going to the third and final one that is fairly close to the house. There's another one I can go to, but I feel like 3 is a good enough like parameter to know what's what and what to say and how things can possibly go for you as you go out to Starbucks to get some coffee grounds. Now, I did make an adjustment, as you heard. I did call it the right thing, which is actually coffee grounds as opposed to coffee grinds that I called it the first time. Nonetheless, I've adjusted, and I don't know, maybe people aren't really asking for these, so the workers don't even know what's going on. But nonetheless, we're gonna go to the third one, give it a try, and yeah, let's see what happens. All right, great people, I do apologize for the dark quality of the video. However, we are at the last Starbucks. We're gonna see if this is going to be the one that grants us with some coffee grounds. Now, I will say, coming in, it's like 5:30ish. It's, well, not 5:30, it's actually 5:45 is actually the perfect time to come. I've only had to wait in line once, which is this one, and there's only one car in front of me. So if you are coming out to retrieve coffee grounds, do come in the after hours, okay? So let's go up to the window.
Starbucks, what can I get started for you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a gardener, and I was wondering if you all had any used coffee grounds.
If what?
If you all have any coffee grinds. Usually it's like in a bag once you all finish using the coffee.
Let me see. No, not at the moment, sir.
Oh, interesting.
I mean, you could take whatever we have. It's very little, but you have to come inside, please.
Okay, all right. Thank you, ma'am. All right, great people. So just to recap, the third one said that they didn't have very many, but I can come inside and retrieve them. And I did just that. And look at how many they actually gave me, which, you know, it's funny. It's like all in perspective. I guess Starbucks is used to fulfilling a lot of orders, doing a lot of coffee, having a lot of coffee grounds at the end of the day. However, to them, this was a light day. To me, this is a bag full of coffee grounds that I honestly did not expect to get so many, especially after what I received after the first store, which was, you know, it was a smaller bag. I'll fill up that bag as well. But even on the second one, they were like, oh, what are you talking about? No, which I don't know. I honestly just believe that, I don't know. It's interesting. I will say overall, where I expected to not receive any, I received some. And when I expected to get some, I did not. So I say that to say, go to whatever Starbucks that you go to with an open mind, because you never know what they do have. And like I showed you all, this was the bag from the first one, which, you know, is a decent sized bag as well, I must say. It will do for my garden as well as the compost bin, which you can use these in both, okay? So I say all that to say, this was a fun experience, cool experiment. I don't know. Let me know. Do you know if Dunkin' Donuts does this as well? If so, let us know. I more frequently go to Dunkin' Donuts as opposed to Starbucks, so I will be just, hey, there, get it, go type deal, as opposed to going to Starbucks, not really knowing the lingo, not really knowing what to say, not really knowing what to expect. However, receiving what we did receive today, which was a nice sum, I must say so myself. It is good enough, again, like I said, for the compost as well as for the garden itself. Now, I do not know if these are good to go to be able to go out into the garden immediately. I don't know. I never really used them fresh like this before. I've only used them from the Keurig cup that I would use from the house and things like that. So with all that being said, I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thank you for going along this ride and experiment with me. I do apologize for the darkness. However, I will say, that was the most opportune time to go because there was not long lines, there wasn't any traffic, and it was just easy breezy, smooth, lemon squeezy type deal. And I went in a time where I felt like they should be like, had things clean and things like that. You know, all things considered, I did what I did, why I did what I did, and therefore you all saw what you saw. But with all that being said, I love you all, I appreciate you all. See you on the next video. That is on Wednesday at 10:30 a.m.